There is a facilitated program from Google, and this program is open only for a single day. The application is will be going to close on 22nd of August. And if you are watching this video, please watch this video full, and after that you just go and apply for this facilitator program. So in this video I'm just going to mention all the things which is required for this, what are the required criteria, which type of things will be going to happen in this in this program, where you need to apply for facilitator. So I am just going to show you, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. This is Akshay and welcome you all on this channel of Career Edge, and this is my channel Career Edge, and you all can apply you all can subscribe my channel, because in the in on this channel you got different type of educational opportunities. And also if you come in the if you subscribe this video or subscribe my channel, then also please share with your friends that you got different type of opportunities from my channel, and they also can subscribe my channel. So this type of things if you do, then my channel will expand, and also I will come up with more and more good videos and interesting opportunities. So next thing I'm just going to start this. So here this is the explore ML with crowdsource. This type of facilitator program is there, where if you see the heading that ML is there, means machine learning machine learning facilitator program is here. And here you can see our selected facilitator will get an opportunity. Which type of opportunity you are going to get, you can see here: attend virtual facilitator training session with ML experts Google, and also sharpen their ML knowledge and develop leadership and presentation skills. Facilitate ML workshop for university students and community members. Share feedback, report ideas and best practices. Get certificate by Google and rewarded based on their level of engagement. So here they reward you by different type of things. May they give you some credits on Google Cloud, may they give you some goodies. Also there are different type of goodies on the crowdsource provide, which you can see on the Google. You can see here, just I'm going to show you crowdsource goodies. So let me show you which type of goodies crowdsource offer. So here you can see different type of goodies which crowdsource offer. Different type of channels show you. So here you can see list of things. So this type of goodies may you also get if you complete this facilitator program. And also our selected facilitators will become a part of our global crowdsource community and participate in the community program run by Google. So these are the things which will be covered in this facilitator program if you got selected for this. So if you're interested to join, you can sign up here. Just go sign up here. The sign up process is very easy. When you tap on this, you can go through your Gmail account only. So you got signed in, and after that you need to do also need to do nominate here. So when you go through here, you can nominate people. So it would means I'm just going to show you what type of this form is there, which type of details required in this form. I already complete this form for my one of the subscriber, and you also need to do for your friends. You doesn't mention me because I already busy with different type of things. So please, if you wants to if you want, so you can just mention in the comments. So anybody who are going to apply for this may consider you also with your email and your name. Here you can see explore ML with crowdsource facilitated nomination form. Firstly you need to mention your email, and after that whom you are going to mention this. So here, so you nominate here. So firstly you choose anyone, anything which is for them, so whom you are going to nominate. So if he or she is faculty member in a college or university, member of a tech community, crowdsource contributor, a student with a tech background, or a working professional, you just choose anyone. And after that you need to write her or his name and email, and you can nominate total 3 peoples. And if you want to nominate more and more, so you can choose here and you can nominate and just submit this form. After submitting, you will you can means you have if you submitted and nominate 3 peoples, then they got a mail from the Google crowdsource if you do correctly all the steps. So they got, and after that they need to complete all other things from there, which the mail you receive from the mail you will be going to receive from Google crowdsource. Then from there is a link and you need to complete all the other process. So what are the things which is required for this position is comfortable with DSA, data structure and algorithms. And next thing is has a good communication and interpreter skills, has an effective listening and questioning skills. Next thing is has a passion for teaching, facilitating and or presenting, has a previous experience in a working with machine learning, strongly preferred, and has a previous teaching and facilitation experience preferred. So this type of things they required. And also you can see here workshop curriculum means which type of things you are going to get in this crowdsource program of facilitator. You got introduction to ML, neural network, introduction to crowdsource by Google. So this type of things you are going to get through workshops which they will conduct. Then after that they extend the different learning opportunities of machine learning and you will learn from them, problem framing, and at the last TensorFlow first step with TensorFlow. This type of things you are going to learn here. And after that journey of a facilitator, firstly you need to fill the form which they given here. Interested applicants can register with the interest means if you doesn't complete that nomination form then you just select this. And let me see which type of form is there. So I think the same form, not this is not a same form, this is a directly facilitator application form. This here it doesn't need to nominate anyone. You just go and write your name, email, full name and country and different some more things are there. You just need to write all the things and you can just apply for this in facilitated program. Next thing is after a screening process, applicants will be informed about the final results over email. So yeah, these are the steps of selection. Applicants selected to become a facilitators will get a trained by email experts of Google on the program curriculum. Once trained on the curriculum and inducted in the crowdsource influencer program, facilitator can start conducting explore ML with crowdsource workshop. And at the last, based on their engagement in the program, facilitator will be awarded and recognized certificate, letter of appreciation. They will also be included in community initiatives planned exclusively for the crowdsource influencers. So this type of benefits you will get if you got selected and you do a great thing in this explore ML with crowdsource community means crowdsource community. So here you can see about you can get all about this what is going to happen, what is the crowdsource. You can see here we are looking for the facilitator is thing I just showed. And also you can read all about this program. So I think all thing is clear about this facilitator program from Google crowdsource. So this type of crowdsource is mainly meant for as a machine learning means you all know that Google Lens is there, Google different type of Google apps are there which from where there are different type of machine learning concepts are engaged. And for the machine learning you all know that machine learning needs different type of test cases means type of images, so they can judge all the things by seeing some objects and by seeing and recognize that object. So this type of things also there in a crowdsource is mainly meant for different type of those who wants to contribute with Google crowdsource. And there you need to choose a different type of thing if you want to verify some images with their name and different type of things are there. You can just download the crowdsource app from the app store and just go and explore. There is a great thing there. And I think you need to contribute there also because after that you are going to get best experience on the Google Lenses and different type of Google apps if you contribute in this type of things. So I think also you need to just go and participate in this facilitator program so that you learn more about the Google machine learning objects and different type of things which are mainly not for all those who means this program is only for those who are mainly interested in machine learning and they wants to be make their career in machine learning. So that's much in this video. I think all things are cleared for this program, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also please share this video with your friends so they also can apply for this internship. So that's much in this video. Thanks for watching. Meet in the next video with one more opportunity.